Bonjour, Jean. Bonjour, Chris. Ich bin Gabwig Indigenous Cause. Wabje shi and dodem. Jagna shi waki and dunjaba. Ratchard and da. Gin dash, Jean?
Miigwech. Ishkwe gab bawikwe. Jean nin nindishnakas. Gawin in Danishinabe si. Gakabi kang in da nongum. Christopher?
Uju Jean Minawa Iskwe Gabawikwe. Christopher Indigenous Cause, Stockholm, Sweden, in Dunjaba. Gawin Indonisinabe with C. Papegish Mino Ayayeg Nongum.
Ajigwa niwi ajamanan aao wagosh.
Yiwe Awagosh Gi Kodagoshin.
Oh, stay. Aninga ijiwebak?
Ogi nundan. Gegu ima oda samasagong aao wagosh.
Aninga nundang.
Gi enendan gi nundang jibayag o samasagong. Gi ikado. Waiba wijiba gijigad. Onzam gi segaze.
Mi iu Ogi Bakate an iu Asamasug.
Mi dash anishka ijiwebak?
Wawa Biganujian Gi Sa Giji Quashquane one. Onzam Gi Washquabi one. Minawagi Nishkadazi one. In you Wawa Biganujian.
Gawin. Ye gatana?
Eya Gi Segazi Wagosh.
Iwa named ma?
Agawe gi ajikwe gi animini jamod. Panama gi wadendama idash gi pasandebeshin. Ozegi banwanish gi nabaga.
We minnow ayana?
Eya, we minoaya idash awasanago gawin ingi gikanu amagos isimen ji agandamang Ojibwe moen.
Miigwech bizendaweyag.
Daga nanda gikain danda Anishinaabe moen.
Me you.
Wow, that was good. You even got some good burns on the Wagosh in there. Did you guys follow that? The mice coming out of the board and Wagosh running away and flattening out his man bun, and oh man, that was a horror story. That's what that was.
Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Troyer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.